Hello guys, today I'll show you how to make a bubble on Melon Playground. Step 1. You need to have at least 4 boxes. Step 2. Make the middle box at the bottom purplish pink. Step 3. Make the 2 boxes completely small for the eyes. Step 4. Make the 1 box on top of the purplish pink box thin for the mouth. Step 5. Put the eyes and the mouth in the purplish pink box. Make sure the eyes are completely right. Trust me, it's not that difficult. There, your bubble is ready to come to. Wait, what is happening? Oops. Sorry, I lied.
So many people try and hate on other people for finding different ways to make money in the current year, and I don't understand why. I mean, I'm
If you don't like how it looks, then you can fix it. It looks perfect. Now, time to make it come to life. But first, let's make it float. Step 6. Get the ballooning staff, and then hit the box with it. But don't put on disable collision yet, otherwise, this will not work. Now step 7. Put on disable collision. And now step 8. Get the melon and the ghost staff to bring it to life, so it can float on its own. Now, take out the line. And there you go, your bubble is finished, so you can make SpongeBob SquarePants, the amazing digital circus, or even Poppy playtime with your bubble. If this tutorial helped you so much, be sure to hit like, subscribe, comment, share, and remix my content by YouTubers.